Hey, my name is Mikey B.
I'm Val. I'm still chewing on Julia's cookies.
This is level 3. It is connection month. Final class. You guys actually did a really good job. I was super impressed. It was really fun.
Making
Fun
the
stuff.
difference.
Yeah, so we started off kind of where we left off in the last week, where we were working on cuddles. We have our regular 6-count cuddle. Triple step, a rock step, triple step, triple step. You turn that into a 4-count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we kind of played with that by putting triples in and out of it, doing a 6-count, 4-count, a 4-count, a 6-count.
Start with 4-count, exit with 6-count, the other way around. There are so many options.
Yeah.
Then we cuddle belt the other way.
Yeah. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So remember, leaders, that we really want to open up and continue the momentum through so the follower continues to travel and unravel on the other side.
Followers, we would think going that way anyway, so when we're left through, we just continue going.
Yeah. And we want to, so make sure that we're just not like doing one of these deals, okay? Really open up and allow the follower to go that direction. And then we're going to end it with that stretchy rock step again. So we got rock, step, 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 rock, step. Okay? That was our, yeah. So remember an 8-count circle. 5, 6, 7, 8. We turn that into a 6-count. We just do a bunch of steps. Step, 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 rock, step. It doesn't really matter how far around you go. Just remember on your 3, 1, 2, 3, you're going to cut the follower off. You're going to move through her, displace her where she is there. So we don't need to have a lot of tension in our hand here. We're not pushing through. We're just moving through our follower. So we're going to have our hands in the ballroom handhold, rock, step, move, move, move,